Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Heartland Falls, owned by DR Horton, and this is located in Tule Spring by North Las Vegas. And today we are going to tour the 3,000 plan house. It's a 2-story house, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage. And the starting price is $529,990. Let's tour this house together, you guys. As soon as you get in, you will be greeted with this nice open layout area, you guys. Right on the right side, there is a coat closet. Plenty of space. And then there's another coat closet over here. Wow, this house has a lot of storage. And I think this is the door leading to your 2-car garage. Unfortunately, this is locked, so I cannot show you guys. There is a bathroom on the first floor. And there is a room on the first floor as well. This is perfect for your guest if you don't want to have them go to the second floor, or if you have an in-laws, this is perfect space. There is a walk-in closet here too. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you your open layout area. First, this is the dining area. There's plenty of space here to serve your meals. And this is your living area right here. Tons of space to entertain your friends and families. Just imagine yourself, you guys, this coming holiday, putting yourself in this house. Isn't that lovely? This is your modern kitchen here. Love this massive island in the middle. Right here is the sink, dual sink. Good thing about this house, you guys, all the stainless steel appliances is included when you purchase the house. Love the white cabinets. And right here, you guys, this is the walk-in pantry. Again, this is the plan 3,000 and starting price is $529,900. Before we go to the second floor, let's go show your backyard, guys. Just look at this backyard, tons of space to entertain. Again, this is a model home, so the backyard is already done, but normally when you get the house, it's a dirt lot. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the second floor and the rest of the house. And right here, this is the loft area. This is extra space to entertain friends and families. On this side right here, there is a linen closet. And right across, There is a laundry area. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. I'm going to show you guys all the secondary bedroom. Right on this side, there is a shared bathroom. Standard shower, tub and shower combo. Right here, this is the first secondary bedroom. This is a nice size with the standard closet. And right outside, there is another linen closet. In this house, you guys, there's tons of space to store your stuff. Another bedroom over here. Also, there is a walk-in closet in this room. And then next to it, there is another bedroom. And in this room, there is also a walk-in closet. Okay, again, you guys, this is the plan 3000. Starting price is 529,990. There's 5 bedroom here, 3 bath, and 2 car garage. And good thing about this house, comes with all the stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, washer and dryer are included. Now I'm going to show you guys the primary bedroom. Just look at this room, it's massive, tons of space here. I'm going to show you guys the primary bath. Nice. And right here, this is the walk-in closet. Also a large closet. And this is your walk-in shower right here. It's a decent size. Also, your water closet on this side. All in all, there's plenty of space in this plan 3000, you guys. If you are interested in owning one of the homes in the Horton and Heartland Falls, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you need a representation, make sure that you have a realtor with you on your first visit so they can represent you. Thank you for watching my video.